Window Installation Sanford is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetics and energy efficiency. Replacement windows. Sanford experts provide top-notch services, ensuring that every window is installed with precision and care. Whether you're interested in vinyl windows, Sanford, or energy-efficient windows, Sanford, the options are vast and tailored to meet your specific needs. Energy-efficient windows. Sanford are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Energy-saving windows. Sanford, Florida are an excellent investment for any property owner looking to enhance their home's efficiency and reduce utility bills. Vinyl windows. Sanford offer durability and low maintenance, making them a preferred choice for many homeowners. Sanford FL vinyl window experts can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best vinyl windows for your home. With a variety of styles and colors available, vinyl windows. Sanford can complement any architectural design. Window replacement. Sanford is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Sanford, Florida. Window replacement services offer comprehensive solutions to address any issues, from broken glass to damaged frames. Prompt replacement windows. Sanford can prevent further damage and extend the life of your windows. Custom windows. Sanford provide a unique opportunity to personalize your home. Custom window solutions. Sanford FL allow you to choose the size, shape, and style that best fits your needs. Whether you're looking for a specific design or need to match existing architecture, custom windows. Sanford can be tailored to your exact specifications. Hung windows. Sanford are a classic choice for many homes, offering both functionality and style. Hung window installation. Sanford, Florida ensures that these windows are installed correctly, providing ease of use and excellent ventilation. With their timeless appeal, double hung windows. Sanford are a versatile option for any home. Window replacement. Sanford is a significant investment that can enhance your home's value and appearance. Best replacement windows. Sanford, Florida are available in various styles and materials, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home. Window replacement quotes. Sanford FL can help you budget for this important upgrade. Impact windows. Sanford are designed to withstand severe weather conditions, providing added protection for your home. Sanford FL Impact Window Specialists offer expert installation and advice, ensuring your home is safeguarded against storms and high winds. Impact windows. Sanford are a wise choice for homeowners in hurricane-prone areas. Sliding windows. Sanford offer a sleek and modern look, perfect for contemporary homes. Sliding window replacement. Sanford, Florida provides a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing natural light and ventilation. With their smooth operation sliding windows, Sanford are both practical and stylish. Bay windows. Sanford adds elegance and space to any room, creating a cozy nook or enhancing a view. Bay window installation. Sanford FL can transform your living space, providing additional seating or storage. With their unique design, bay windows, Sanford are a beautiful addition to any home.